Okay, let's take a look at the dual band setups from today. Had a short trade right in this area price that I worked earlier. And right now I'm actually working a long trade just in last runners, and we'll call it good for the day. So anyhow, let's take a quick look at the next area where we've had a kind of a classic mean reversion setup. That was right in here. And there's the one in the morning. And there we go. We're blipped out on trades, and that is concluded for the day. So if we press above the main band with the fast bands and I get some sort of rotation, that would be the potential next area to take a trade. This was a little after 9 o'clock U.S. Central Time, about 9:20-ish. There was a bit of a touch and bounce pre-market that could have been worked. But anyhow, and we did trigger a key level. So I definitely wanted to hit that area. Let's take a look at where that level was from the other day. So we get a level sweep, a sweep of that level. We didn't test it and bounce, we swept it. So let's readjust that. Now that's a new level. And we train about levels, tests, and sweeps in our iGrid program training. And we had lift. So that was kind of a pretty quick, nice little setup. And anything above the mid band I consider gravy. So I always take some off with the mid band touch. I leave some runners on, and as soon as I see it lose momentum or I see a bunch of resistance on a day that's been pretty negative, I'll set my target just below that. And as you can see, it just barely tagged it out. So way over daily goal today on all accounts, on all my master accounts, talking out trade activity to the other accounts through trade copiers. But yeah, I've put up a lot of videos. Let's take a quick look. So all kinds of videos recently at the Grid YouTube channel. I have some dual bands indicator, how we use the trades. This is just kind of scratching the surface, but there's a part 1 and part 2. So if I go to Grid Algo, go to videos, and you see there's a part 1 and part 2 video. Showed some trade action yesterday, going to show the trades I took today. And this is just a little bit of an overview of some of the ways that we're using these bands to go in and attack the markets. So anyhow, we are running a current offer for just the iGrid pack that comes with the we call it the grid bars. We have one bar type. We have the dual bands indicator, the grid iGrid alerts, iGrid step, and iGrid cloud, which I've covered. There's been a lot of videos on the grid alerts, the grid cloud, and the grid step indicator. That's also part of the iGrid pack. We are going to add a second set of bands, a Momo indicator, and probably one other bar type. And then we're going to take the iGrid scalper indicator, update it, and put it in the pack too, coming into January. And then that'll be it. That'll be it for the iGrid pack. So anyhow, we do have a special offer where you can come in and get access to the iGrid pack only, as we've shut down access to our fully automated systems. They're saturated enough, and this is what we have available at least in 2025 going forward. We still have some remaining offers that end today at the end of the year on access to the complete package, but after today, that's it. But anyhow, to just get access to the iGrid pack, we have a $397 special offer plan. So if you have any questions, info@gridalgo.com, and I'll post up trade action on Thursday and Friday, show you what I'm doing with the dual bands, and I'll also have an update then on what's been added to the iGrid pack. So there you have it. Have a great day. Have a great new year. Talk to you all in 2025.